Any error? Colon. If I'm not writing colon symbol, any error? Yes, definitely. If I'm not writing star symbol, any error? Yes. Okay, now develop this bash script. Okay, how to develop this bash script, friends? Simple. Okay. Uh, yes, tell me. Star. Yes or no? Star. Not okay. Star. Afterwards, like 0
colon
or one. Okay, one. Something called colon 2. Yes or no? 2. But I miss the colon.
co-
I missed the colon, but please execute this program. Bash scripts. Okay, I missed the colon. Understand carefully. I missed the colon. Control O, press enter button, Control X. That's all. Now, script 20.sh, press enter button.
sh.
Press enter button. Hey, what is this bad substitution? Please. That means what? Without colon? No. Okay. Now, go to this place again. Yes, place colon. Okay, otherwise you may get error, boss. Definitely. You'll get error, definitely. So they'll ask you all these things in an interview. Yes, sir, boss, if I miss this colon, what happens? Tell me. That's all. Error. Please write down all these things. Okay, Control O, press enter button, Control X. Okay, afterwards, SHSCRIPT 20.sh, press enter button, friends. KK801, KK802. That's all. That means what? Two values I printed. But two values printing purpose, I used what is this, friends? 1
One
colon 2.
colon two.
If I suppose I erase 2 and place 3, how many values will be
3,
printed?
sir.
3, sir.
Definitely 3 values will be printed. That's all. 3 values 801, 802, 803. 3 values printed on the terminal. That's all. Over. Okay, 3 values will be printed on a terminal. Yes. Okay. That means what? If I suppose if I erase 2 and place 3, yes. Third index value also will be printed. 801, 802, 803, all values will be printed on a terminal. That's all. Okay, sir. Okay, no problem, sir. Okay, only a specific value. That means what? Specific. If you want to print a specific index value, just place 2 or 3. That's all. Place 2 or 3. No problem. Instead of writing star symbol, I can place 3. Instead of writing star symbol, I can place 2. That's all. Okay. Instead of writing star symbol, I can place like this. Okay, understood, sir. Very well. But anyway, 1 minute, 1 minute. Suppose I erased something called star symbol. Okay. I erase star. I erase star. Okay. No star at all. I erase star, not star at all. But afterwards, I have written something called 2 colon 3. Then what happens? Oh, sir, colon, please provide a colon also. Yes, I provide a colon also, no problem. But I didn't specify anything inside a square bracket. Then what happens? Inside a square bracket. That's all. Write down this answer. Yes, user underscore names, but I didn't specify anything inside this place. Okay, colon 2, 3. That's all. But what is your output, expected output, friends? Anyone? What is your expected output?
Error.
Error, sir.
Error. Sorry. Okay, right. So go to this area. Go to my terminal, friends. Right. Now, afterwards, SHSCRIPT 20 dot press SH. సేవ్ చేశారా? చేయలేదు కదా, అసలు రాయలే కదా, అవునా? రాయలే మీరు. ఎస్. నౌ go to this place. Remove the star symbol. Yes. Control O, press enter button, Control X. Control O, save. Control X, come out from the file. That's all. Okay. Now, SHSCRIPT 20.sh, press enter button. Hey, what is this bad substitution? Please That's all. Now, observe carefully. Yes, friends, write down the things properly inside your notebook. Okay. Now, just I am placing star symbol, control O, press enter button. Yes, output. Sir, no, 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 sir. Please, please place at the rate symbol, sir.